Welcome back. Continuing with the update that we were talking about before we went into the break with regards to Indigo, the DGCA has curtailed the airline's winter schedule amidst widespread flight cancellations. Shivani, who's been tracking this, is joining in with more details on this. Shivani, tell us more.
Well, Hormuz, that's correct. We had reported this morning that 5% of Indigo's flights are to be curtailed, and DGCA has already communicated it to Indigo, and now we are seeing that the official notice about this is out. So what we now know is that DGCA has said that Indigo has failed to demonstrate an efficiency to run all these flights that they had submitted for the winter schedule. So on the basis of that, now there are numbers to support this claim by DGCA, and that is that in the entire month of November, 591 flights were cancelled from Indigo, and that is before all of this disruption started on 1st of December. So 591 flights cancelled shows DGCA that Indigo is not capable of running the number of flights that they had submitted for the winter schedule. So now a 5% curtailment and cut, and which is by far right now the first step towards it. We are also getting to understand from sources that this might increase as and when DGCA sees that if Indigo is able to run and operate the kind of flights that they have on their winter schedule right now. So 5% cut, which means 100 to 115 flights a day, daily on Indigo routes where there are other operators as well. Say, for example, on routes where there is crowding, there is Air India as well, SpiceJet as well, Akasa as well, and there are a lot of Indigo flights. Those are the routes where Indigo has been asked to curtail flights so that there is minimum inconvenience to the passengers. Now, Indigo has also been asked by DGCA to submit a revised, winter schedule by 5 p.m. tomorrow, which is 10th. So that will be interesting to keep a track of on which of these routes Indigo is basically cutting the routes on. So that's what we are understanding right now, and clearly comes on the back of the disruptions that we saw.
Okay, all right, Shivani, thank you so much for bringing us that update. So that's about Interglobe Aviation. But it's time for a short break now. When we come back, we'll get to more on the markets on the other side. Stay tuned for that.
26 years of